Him is a good man, you know. With a good heart. But sometimes the heart they swell up in him. And so when it swell up in him, I saw him get stiff necked. And you see when you get whole, at that time you get stiff necked, I'm a old man. Sometimes it need a younger mind, a younger energy to bring things into perspective.
I don't want it to seem like me go against what I say.
Bubbles. And retire, you know. It's just that you have put him down for sit down a little bit. And you have to put on your foot. So that you can secure where him take so much of your bill.
I never yet go against nothing what I'm saying. No. And I'm always that loyal soldier to anything what I'm say. But Shepherd, me totally understand what you say. I'm wrong on that one, yeah.
Dead wrong. It is your time, no Bubbles. Use it wisely. Because when all is said and done, he might go thank you.
Shepherd, I eat that. I work with it. I'm going to talk to him.
Not just talk, Bubbles. Put on your foot. Remember, I said there is going to be resistant to change, you know. Change not gonna come easy. But remember, say life is at stake. And one of them life there, and my son-in-law. Don't forget. I'm talking about my son-in-law. He might feel little trials that we might go through, you know. But now is the time where we might need your support. It's about sticky, you know. But that is what life offers, the challenge there. So he need you to help him through this time.
Yes, Shepherd.
Good. Just do what me say. And we will always come out on top. Alright? Alright. You want one of these snook them? Never share with something. Come. Oi. Watch out for the maca.
Aye!
That's all it good for. Juke in you.
You're really worrying about the wrong thing.
Sir, don't tell me that. Because every time you bring in somebody new, it causes problems for we in the field.
She's not new. She's new to you. Since when it become your prerogative to demand explanations from me as to what I am doing with who? I need her for stuff that you have no concern with.
I can bet you need her for things that don't concern we. But let me ask you this. You remember the last agent you put in the field? With an assignment where you assigned me upon? You remember it never end well?
Silly you talking about? You never followed orders. Don't make your dereliction of duty fall back on my choices.
So the training where this agency give me and where you give me, you never believe say me did I realize say I'm next agent in the field where shadow me? Come on, Pops. You teach me better than that.
Why are we discussing an agent that is under my control? It's not nothing to do with you.
Let me tell you what I want to discuss. The decisions that you have been making, especially as it relates to the minister. It seemed very emotional.
Don't tell me shit about emotion. Let me ask you something. Is you lose to sniper?
Them two agents, they work for the agency. All we lose them.
And it's my agency. When I started it, I lost 5 snipers. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know? Have you any idea what it took to regain the trust and confidence of the little people them up, sir? Now, I wake up one morning and they're telling me that 2 snipers gone. And I must just answer back and hope that the universe makes it right. Not about that.
And you think linking this to the minister makes any kind of sense? You have no proof. No tangible proof.
Tangible? Tangible proof? Oh yes! You only need that if you go into court. Let me let you into a little secret. This now go to court.